What's up everyone, it's your boy JCGROOVEZ, the Groovy Gamer, and I'm just making a quick video to address a question a lot of people have been asking me in the comment section on my last video, which was the Bowser and Toad Wii Remote unboxing. First, I'd like to say thank you to everyone that viewed my last video for the Toad and Bowser Wii Remote unboxing. I appreciate all the likes and the comments that I got on that video, and I appreciate all my subscribers. So to get to the question, no Wii Remotes are not region locked, and I'm going to show that any Wii Remote released in any country can be used on any Wii U console, no matter where it is around the world. I have the American version of the Mario Wii Remote, and of course, since I live in America and I have an American Wii U, it works just fine. And that's to show you that the American version and Japanese version will also work on the same console, because I also have the Japanese version of the Yoshi Wii Remote. And as you can see, it's synced up to my American Wii U just fine. No issues whatsoever. I have the Japanese Toad Wii Remote, which is only a Japan exclusive right now, along with the Bowser one. Again, synced up to my American Wii U just fine. No issues whatsoever. Boot up Miiverse real quick. As you can see, no kind of lag or latency issues at all. And I also have the Japanese version of the Bowser Wii Remote. And again, synced up just fine to my American Wii U. See who's online on my friends list. I see Nia's on, the video gamer. Shout out to Nia, check out her channel. I also see Joseph is on, and a couple of my other friends. So there you have it, guys. Proof that Wii Remotes will work on any Wii U console, no matter what country or region. So if you want to pick up the Yoshi, Toad, or Bowser Wii Remote from like Play Asia, you don't have to worry about importing it and not working on your Wii U console or your Wii, because they work on both. So there's no worries there, guys. Go ahead and pick them up if you want. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you have a good one. Keep it gaming. Later.